Members of the Riker family of Vazia Shiroda maintain their 480-year-old tradition of celebrating Savat under one roof. The celebrations, akin to a Sarvajanik Ganesh celebration, bring together the 1,200-odd family members from places as far-flung as the United States of America, London, Pakistan, Qatar and Kuwait. The 8th generation of the Ramchandra Fondo Sheth Riker family still hold traditional family values very close to their heart and converge at their ancestral home to mark the Ganesh celebrations.
आमच्या चवथीक अमेरिका, लंडन, गेले पाकिस्तान, कटार, कुवेट आणि हिंदुस्तानभर सगळ्या पसरले आहात.
Although the family has broken up into smaller households of nuclear families, no single nuclear family has their separate Ganesh celebration. Family members contribute monetarily towards the expenditure involved in these celebrations. Speaking to Goa 365, a senior member of the family, Surendra Ramnath Naik, told us more about their unique family and the celebrations.
रामचंद्र शेठ रायकर तांचे 4 भुरगे त्या 4 भुरग्यांचे सगळं औषध ते तातूंत भितर ही चवथ आमची व्यवस्थीत जावची हाची ते जाणटेल्यांनूच अशें करून दवरिल्लें आसा सारकें फ्रेमवर्क. हे 4 जाणांनी तातूंत भितर एक व्हडल्या भावान तो चवथ पंचम करपाची, मागीर दुसऱ्या भावान करपाचें, मागीर तिसऱ्या भावान करपाचें आनी परत ती वेवस्थीत ते गणपतीक आरत्यो बिरत्यो करून ते आपल्या मूळ जाग्या वयल्यान तांकां पावोवपाचें.
It is heartening and truly amazing to see family values and bonds intact in this fast-changing world of today.
The Spanish multinational ophthalmic group Indo has formalized a joint venture agreement with GKB Ophthalmics Limited, an Indian ophthalmic company having its base at Goa. The GKB Ophthalmics Group comprises of 2 export-oriented units having a network of 9 prime laboratories spread across India, including one in Goa. The company announced the setting up of a joint venture termed Indio Prime Visuals Technologies Private Limited yesterday.
For last 4 years, we have spread our activities in the domestic market, and as I have been told to you that we are already having 9 establishments all over the country where we are not only catering to the optical trade or to the public at large through the optical trade by providing the high quality lenses, we are also exporting, and there are a lot of companies in Europe and Africa and Middle East who are buying their prescription requirement, tailor-made lenses requirement from us.
Speaking to Goa 365, CEO of Indo, Mr. Antony Olvella Kunil, gave details about the equipment that will be delivered to the Indian market.
We think that is an opportunity to create a new value for development product in India. We understand that this equipment that we will supply will also mean for the future manufacturing, and why not assembling totally this equipment for not only for India, also for other countries, because we understand that India has a good opportunity of manufacturing.
Chairman and CEO of GKB Ophthalmics Limited, Mr. KG Gupta, spoke about the objectives behind importing Indo technical equipment into the Indian market.
The ultimate objective is to use India as a base to assemble and to source some of those parts and spares and manufacture these products in Indian market, so that the prices could come down, and also we are able to export to other countries including Spain, so that the thing which is being made in Spain at the moment at a higher price could be made at a cheaper price and will be available to the trade at a much lesser value.
We come to the end of this evening's news bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, goodbye and good night.